Hey, Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. If you recall, over here I'd had two big pallets of roofing. Well, this is all that's left. The roof has been done. So here's a little short video to just kind of give you a recap of the new roof on the house here in wonderful sunny Southwest Florida. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, like and subscribe.
The company that did the work.
Well, it's roofing day. This is kind of the first hour of work. Yeah. 8 guys. All the roofing is off. Oh, you can see they're re-nailing the roof. And they're going to do the back half first, and then the front half. And I guess the inspector won't be here until tomorrow. Kind of a pain. Yeah, they're fixing rotted spots here and there, and putting on the water barrier. Well, they're taking the roofing up. They've got all the waterproofing on. Heck of a job carrying up those bundles of shingles, but they're making progress. Well, this is the end of day one. They got the waterproofing on. One by one, they carried each one of the bundles of shingles up. Tough job. They'll be back here tomorrow after the city inspector takes a look at it, and then they'll finish up. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Out of 2 pallets of materials, this is all that's left. So the boxes are the ridge vents, and they got a bucket of tar and some nails. Okie doke. Well, appears the roof is done. Well, after we got the roof fixed, we started doing some cleaning on the fallen branches. There's a rumor that the county is coming by within a day or two to pick up everything. So we concentrated on trimming the trees. And this is basically the pile of brush from these 2 properties as a result of the storm. More than a little bit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.